Deep in the eastern Indian Ocean, hidden among the waters of the Andaman Islands, lies one of the most mysterious and isolated places on Earth, North Sentinel Island. This small tropical island has become famous worldwide because almost no outsiders are allowed to visit it, and those who try often face immediate hostility from its inhabitants. For thousands of years, the indigenous Sentinelese people have lived here without modern technology, roads, electricity, or contact with the outside world. Their determination to remain isolated has made North Sentinel Island one of the last truly untouched human societies on the planet. North Sentinel Island is located in the Bay of Bengal and is part of the Indian Union territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The island covers approximately 59.7 square kilometers, or about 23 square miles. To help visualize its size, it is slightly smaller than the city of Manhattan in New York. Although it may look tiny on a world map, dense tropical forests cover almost the entire island, making it difficult to explore even from the air. White sandy beaches surround the coastline, while thick jungle dominates the interior. The island is home to the Sentinelese, one of the world's last uncontacted tribes. Experts believe they may have lived in isolation for as long as 50,000 to 60,000 years. Very little is known about their language, culture, or population because they reject all contact with outsiders. Estimates suggest that between 50 and 200 people live on the island, but nobody knows the exact number. The Sentinelese hunt wild animals, fish in shallow waters, gather fruits, and use bows and arrows for survival. They continue to live much like their ancestors did thousands of years ago. North Sentinel Island is often called the island that kills visitors because of the tribe's aggressive defense of their territory. Throughout history, many explorers, fishermen, and curious adventurers have attempted to approach the island. Most were met with arrows, spears, and warnings to leave immediately. The Sentinelese view outsiders as potential threats, and after centuries of isolation, they have no desire to join the modern world. Because of this, the Indian government has declared the island a protected tribal reserve and strictly prohibits visitors from approaching. One of the most famous encounters occurred after the devastating 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. Concerned that the tribe might have been wiped out, Indian authorities sent helicopters to check on them. As the aircraft flew overhead, a Sentinelese man emerged from the beach and fired arrows at the helicopter, proving that the tribe had survived the massive tsunami. This remarkable event amazed researchers because it demonstrated the tribe's resilience and deep understanding of their environment. Unlike some mysterious islands filled with giant predators, North Sentinel Island does not appear to contain unusually dangerous animals. However, the island's dense forests are home to tropical birds, reptiles, insects, crabs, and various marine species. Saltwater crocodiles may occasionally inhabit nearby waters, and the surrounding coral reefs contain many fish species. The greatest danger on North Sentinel Island is not the wildlife, but the challenge of surviving in its isolated jungle environment and the certainty of encountering a tribe determined to defend its homeland. Scientists and anthropologists are fascinated by North Sentinel Island because it offers a rare glimpse into how humans lived thousands of years ago. Yet, researchers generally agree that direct contact would be dangerous for both sides. The Sentinelese have little immunity to modern diseases such as influenza, measles, or common viruses. Even a simple illness brought by visitors could devastate the tribe. For this reason, governments and experts believe that protecting their isolation is the safest and most ethical approach. In today's world of satellites, smartphones, and global communication, North Sentinel Island remains almost completely disconnected from civilization. No airports, roads, hotels, or internet connections exist there. While the rest of humanity races into the future, the Sentinelese continue living according to traditions that may stretch back tens of thousands of years. Their island stands as a reminder that not every corner of Earth has been transformed by modern society. North Sentinel Island is far more than a mysterious island. It is a living time capsule, protecting one of humanity's oldest surviving cultures. Covering just under 60 square kilometers, surrounded by coral reefs and dense jungle, it remains one of the most inaccessible places on Earth. While stories often focus on danger and hostility, the real lesson of North Sentinel Island is respect. Respect for a people who have chosen to live apart from the modern world and who continue to defend their unique way of life. As long as the Sentinelese remain isolated, North Sentinel Island will continue to be one of the greatest mysteries of our planet. North Sentinel Island, a tiny island in the Indian Ocean, yet one of the most mysterious places humanity has ever known. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. More amazing mysteries, history, and documentaries are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.